What a go goodies, welcome back to your girl channel. I don't know, today we're going to be making some oven baked chicken. So goodies, as you can see, I have some green marinade here that I am rubbing up on my chicken. I do have a recipe on my channel for the green marinade, so check that one out. So goodies, I seasoned my chicken with some all-purpose cool running seasoning, some Maggi chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, garlic pepper powder, and also I went in with a little bit of black pepper. So goodies, we're just gonna season this very well, and I have this seasoning on my chicken from overnight, so make sure you marinate your chicken, okay? Make it stay there for a little bit and soak. Alright goodies, so now we are going to transfer this over to our baking tin. But before we do that, we're going to put some olive oil. And I'm also going to be using some teriyaki sauce just to rub over the chicken. So just pour a little bit of teriyaki sauce, about 3 tablespoons of the teriyaki sauce. And this is low sodium teriyaki sauce. So just going to rub that in nicely with the olive oil. And then we're going to put this into our baking tin. So goodies, now that we have it in our baking tin, we're going to put this into the oven. I have my oven preheating at 450 degrees. Alright goodies, so this is after about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. And what we're going to do now, we're going to flip these over on the other side so the other side can get some color. Yes, man. So we're going to make sure both sides are nice and golden. Some people like their chicken on the darker side like me. So it all depends on how you like your meat. Okay, so just flip them over and we're going to pop them back into the oven. Okay. Okay, goodies, so now that we turn them over, what we're going to do now before put them back into the oven, we're going to put some sauce. So here I have some ketchup with brown sugar, and I'm going to remove the gravy from the pan. So what I did, I add the gravy to the brown sugar and the ketchup, mix that in well until it's nice and thick. And then what we're going to do now, we are going to pour this over our chicken. So basically, what I normally do, just pour it over, all over, make sure that every single piece gets some. And then I use a brush and like spread it. But you can just use a spoon or whatever you have just to make sure that the sauce gets evenly spread all over your chicken. And after that, then we'll put it back into the oven and make sure that this side is nice and crisp as well, because I love it nice and crisp, as I said before. Okay, goodies, so what we're gonna do now, what I normally do is flip it back over on the other side so that the other side can get back a little bit of crisp, because it is going to be a little soggy being down in the juices. So this is me flipping it back over. So I'm just gonna add some onions. This is optional before I put it back into the oven. Okay, I love onions and garlic, so if you love onions, you can do this. If not, just put it back into the oven as it is, and then just about 15 minutes I'm gonna give it into the oven for the onions and everything to get nice and crisp. Okay, goodies, so this is it, the final result. Yeah, man. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about the recipe. If you're new here, please hit that subscription button, like the video, and share the video. Until next time, God bless you.